Yo, what's up YouTube? Arash here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me, we have this beautiful CLA 45 AMG with the satin pearl white. I just wrapped it and finished it yesterday, now ready to pick up, but the customer requested for removing the center dash and then wrap it with the same color. So I will show you how to do that. Be with me until end of the video and then we will turn and tour around the car and then see how it look like. Let's get into it. I say the center dash, I think this piece, he wants to wrap this one, and then he did wrap it with the carbon and looks very ugly, so we're gonna wrap it with the same color. I hope you guys can see that this cap should be around here. One is here, I guess, and then another one gonna be here. It's very hard to see. Okay, one I got it open, another one. Okay, yeah, it has the small plastic cover like this, and then I hope I can see the screw. Okay. Other one. Got it. One and then two. Okay, so as soon you release the doors up, it should be slide up. Okay, like this. And then we need to disconnect the harness. So, yeah, those sliding down, and then it's two bolts here, and then disconnect the two connector. So now we have to, I think, first remove this one. Remove that ring, okay? You should put the masking tape around here. Since this car has a really bad wrap, I'm not gonna touch it because that wrap gonna protect it. You need the prior tools from that edge, and then also from opposite side. I'm a little bit scared. Got it out, and then right here it has the one bolt, I think should be a star shape 20s. Yes, that's right. Remove this one first. I'm gonna put this one here, bolt here. And now it's time to start pry it from this edge, go to that side. put this one underneath it so you're not gonna damage the dashboard. Yeah. Actually not hard, it's easy. I like it. Let's go wrap it. But now look how it looks so cool and nice, match with the car body. Look now. Wow, I believe customer will love it. So let's put it back. Looks so good. I love it so far already. The video how to remove this piece of the dashboard. It's going to be same for the Mercedes GLA and GLA and then A class and CLA. So all gonna be same. Even the AMG model all gonna be same way. So I put the monitor back and then I check it, no any alarm or error, which is the perfect. And we are done with it, ready to go. Very good news for the who wants to learn the wrap but they don't have the time to go to the class. I made in the 15 video, and then in this video I show you how to clean the car, how to cut the film, measure each car to cut, and also how to wrap for each panel, like the door, fender, trunk, everything is there. And then with all my technique, and very good for the beginner. And then I guarantee if you started and repeat everything I say, watch all the video until the end, and then repeat it and practice, for sure you're gonna wrap your own. For sure, I'm guarantee for that. So if you like it and if you want to join our classes, please shoot me the DM through my Instagram. I'm gonna put the page ID underneath this video, and then also you can find the link on my description. Shoot me the DM, I will send you all the info. And that's all. See you guys very soon. Take care.
The movements for those who